Kia ora, my name is May. The series of introductory workshops cover 7 traditional Māori values from Te Ao Māori, that is, the Māori world. These values have been revitalised and adapted for use as learning and teaching methodologies in adult education. These workshops provide opportunities to build your own personal and professional cultural capability, regardless of whatever work context you may be in right now. There are 3 takeaways from each of these workshops. Number 1, activities and resources that you can take away and adapt and use immediately. Number 2, access to a free online resource called Māori Cultural Capability, located on Pathways Awarua. Your place, your way, your time, your learning. Number 3, access to a group of like-minded people to network with afterwards. Kia kaha, give it a go. Kia maia, be confident. Kia manawa nui, be persistent, and you will achieve. Ka kite anō.